Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Little shaky, any movement, you're gonna fall. Now, oh yeah, man, let me tell you, it's a lot to say, a lot to do, a lot to share, a lot to show. But how do you like this show? And the shows before, and the shows coming. Oh yeah, man. Like I said, I don't use the DJI mount as much on the helmet with the GoPro swivel mount. That mount is so stiff, it's probably one of the strongest mounts they make. How many of you use that mount and still holding strong? Well, it ain't a boardwalk, it's a metal walk. And I'm walking back to my bike. And it's a long walk to the bike, man. I got my helmet on, just in case, because I'm ready to hop on my bike. That's my bike. The Cannondale sold for $608. You can get it as low as $550 plus, give or take dollars, and shipping is what cost you. And you can have the fun of building it yourself or going to a bike shop and having it built. Oh yeah, now I hear the bike is over $800. Well, that's the talk for today, folks. We'll catch you on the next one.